Hey everyone, welcome. Here we have a Syma 200 helicopter set, which I was quite surprised when I got them. These guys are pretty darn good size. I mean, boy is gonna love them. He's getting this for a Christmas gift, if I don't crash him. But anyway, the other surprising feature is this. I thought this was just a model truck, but it looks like it's got the three lithium batteries in, and this thing is freaking heavy. We're gonna go ahead and try them out, and then you get the package of all the little military guys. Go along with it. Got 2 chargers. Gotta supply your own supply charger though. Screwdriver. Got full set of blades here to change out, even the little blades on the prop, and then a little machine gun that goes on top of here, I guess, just like that. These take 3 or 4 AAA batteries. We'll double check here. Four AAA batteries. So we're gonna get those set up, get these guys charged up, and we're gonna start flying them. Here we go. Oh my, this thing is so easy to run. Woohoo! Now if I can get my tracking to track on this gimbal here. Easiest helicopter I've ever run. I think pretty impressive actually. Forward, backwards. And it'll do a pretty good job of staying in place. This just is like a spring loaded guy. Thing's pretty darn heavy for what it is. I thought it would be just all plastic. I will tell you what, for $100 for all this stuff, the planes, or the helicopters I should say, right there's my hand. I mean, they're pretty good size. Easy to control. Got the little guys in the bag. I won't take those out. Kids can play with those all day long. They'll probably try to hook a string to them and fly them that way. Overall, I think this is a pretty good setup. We're gonna try to fly some more here. Pretty easy to control. I'm trying to, I don't have another camera operator here, so not going how I want it. Must have saw the chair there. Okay, to recap on this. This guy here is a pretty tough guy. I accidentally hit the ceiling with it. She dropped out of the sky and fell down, and it still works. Nothing broke. It was my fault. I hit the wrong button and it took off. I think I might have that on video. I didn't wreck it, so I'm happy with that. My boy's gonna be pretty excited. This guy here, it seems to be just a little bit easier to fly for some reason. I do not know why. It's just kind of more responsive. I mean, they're pretty much, they weigh the same. Batteries last quite a long time. I didn't actually time it, but I don't know. It probably should have done it, but to me it seems like it lasts a long time. This, to me, is no brainer. So you got $100. Kid breaks one of these, you still got the other one to live and learn. Okay, so let's go on to the truck here. This thing is very, very stout. Turret moves. It winds like that. That's my boy. He's trying to get in here. I gotta wrap this up. Anyway, very good purchase, I think. Said got little guys. I'm not breaking those out of the bag, so he can. Overall, here's the box, model number. I'll have the links in from Amazon on the review and to the video also. Stay tuned. We got some more coming up for some toy reviews. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you later.